All right, my dears, welcome back. Thank you for clicking on the second video. Great job on the problem above. We're scrolling down and we're doing problem number 2 right now, and I'm gonna hide my face so I'm out of the way. Here we go. Awesome. So the next problem. Two contestants on Biggest Loser are Valerie and Oscar. Their weight loss progress is shown below. Valerie's weight loss is shown by this function equation where W is her weight in pounds and T is time in weeks. Oscar's weight loss is tracked in the table below. So this is kind of a weird equation, but remember overall our equation is y equals mx plus b, where m stands for movement or slope, b stands for beginning, y-intercept initial value. Let's figure out like how these kind of match up. So usually it's y equals, that kind of matches up, but usually this is mx, and there's no x, or there isn't a variable attached right here. So actually this is our beginning. This is our b, and then it's minus our m, and then x is t for time in this scenario. So a little bit kind of a funky way to set it up, but we pieced the puzzle together. From that information, m is our movement, our slope, our rate of change, and it's negative 2.5, minus 2.5, which makes sense, right? Because she's losing weight. So our rate of change is negative 2.5. I'm going to write it over 1 so that we know kind of what we're talking about. We're talking about minus 2.5 pounds, whoops, per one what? And T is the time in weeks, per 1 week, okay? And then the beginning, the initial value is 235. And as I said earlier, I like to write it as an ordered pair each time, because then I know that my initial value has 2 parts to it. It's the idea that in 0 weeks, the very beginning, she weighed 235 pounds. And then they already gave us an equation, but you know what? I'm going to rewrite it in y equals mx plus b form. So I'm going to write y equals negative 2.5x plus 235. Helpful for our brains moving forward. Let's talk through Oscar. So Oscar, we're given a table, and remember with tables, x, this is x and then y. Oscar's weight loss is tracked in the table below. It's kind of funky. We have to pay a little bit of attention to it. Let's find our change in y. Let me write that out. We're looking for our change. Ooh, let's do purple. Change in y values over change in x values. Let's put it right there. And be careful, because a lot of us like to flip-flop these numbers. It's kind of the opposite of how the table is set up, which tricks our brain. So let's find our change in y values first. Let's think about how are we going from 247 to 234. I believe that's a minus 4. And then we're going from 200, oh, did I say 34? I meant 43. 243 to 237. Hold up. I think that's minus 6. This is kind of weird, but let's just keep going with it. 237 to 235, that's minus 2. This is really weird. Let's look at our change in x's. Let's see, we're going from 0 to 2, so that's plus 2. From 2 to 5, that's plus 3 now, so these are also kind of changing. And then from 5 to 6, that's plus 1. So take a look, don't freak out. If we write each of these out, change in y over change in x, This would be -4 over 2. This one would be -6 over 3. And this one would be -2 over 1. What do you notice? They're all equivalent. They all equal -2 over 1. If you simplify this, it's -2 over 1. If you simplify -4 over 2, it's -2 over 1. So the table just jumped around a little bit, but if we had filled in the blanks, if we went from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5, it would always be -2 each time. So Oscar's movement is -2 pounds. It doesn't say pounds, I'm just going to assume, per 1 week. Little tricky, but nice job. The initial value, the beginning of it, well, where's the beginning of your table? Where's the beginning of Oscar's journey? It's 0 weeks. And he initially weighs 247 pounds. Again, I like to write this as an ordered pair, so it tells me the entire story. This here, I'll just rewrite it. Whoops. -2 over 1. Awesome, cool. And then the equation is y equals m for movement, -2x, you could write 2 over 1 as well, plus b plus 247 is our beginning. Awesome. Let's scroll down, take a little look at two quick comparison questions. First question, who started at a higher weight with more weight, and what was his or her weight? This should be pretty straightforward for you. Who started? Started means we're looking at the beginning. At a higher weight. Oh, hey there. 247 pounds versus 235 pounds. Oscar did. Versus Valerie at, 235. Cool. That's pretty straightforward. How about this one? Who lost weight the most quickly? More quickly. Ooh, that's hard to say. Yeah. So who's losing weight quicker is a better way to put it. Well, Oscar's losing weight at 2 pounds per week, and Valerie's losing weight at 2.5 pounds per week. So who's losing weight quicker? Valerie is. Valerie is losing weight quicker. 2.5, let's do -2.5 pounds per week versus -2 pounds per week. And that's all there is. Cool. Great job, everybody. Way to persevere. This second one was a little bit tricky, but hopefully this made some sense to you. If not, please go to office hours and ask your teachers about it. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you soon.